Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're working on that BMW E46 and we'll be removing the rear bumper today. Stay with us, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you for the support. And don't forget to check out our main channel, World Mechanics. It's down there in the description. It's growing crazy fast. So we're removing that bumper. The car was in an accident, as you can see, and we want to see how bad it is. It doesn't look bad at all, but we want to see exactly what it is. And we still need to adjust it a little bit here because it came off the track. You can see off the bracket. So we're going to adjust that. But what you need to do, guys, to remove those bumpers, it's pretty simple actually. Some years might have a few little bitty differences, but mostly the same. That clip right there we need to remove. You need to pry the centerpiece out, okay, and then pull the whole clip out, okay, just like that. And this one is a little bit cracked. Some model might have an 8mm bolt underneath, this one does not. And we need to go to the other side now. And we need to do the same thing on this side as well. Okay, you can see the same clip. That's the one holding the bumper towards the bracket on the bottom side. Okay, you can see that's the clip. You pull the middle piece out and then the rest of it. Next, what do we need to do, guys? You need to actually lay underneath it. There is two holes under the bumper. And that's where with the T52 we're going to remove two bolts. Okay, let me show you towards the back of the car. Okay, you can see where the tow hook is. Okay, that's where the T2 is. Right there. There is a bolt. So we're going to get that one loose all the way. Okay, you can see it's coming off. You can see the head of the bolt spinning there. And we have one more like that. Okay, it came loose. Okay, just like that now. Okay, that's the socket we're using. You can see T50 ours is twisted. It shouldn't be that way, but it still works good. And an extension. And we have one more like that on the other side. Some models might have a smaller hole, so you might need a narrower socket like that, or just a long screwdriver T50. Which is not very easy to find, to be honest with you. Okay, but this one you can actually take it off and you can put the extension and then just rigid the socket from the inside, and there is another bolt like that on this side. Okay, so we need to remove that one as well. It's not very complicated at all. Okay, and they're pretty tight at first and then they're not so tight. Cheating a little bit with a little impact so we can save some time and we don't waste your time, guys, just watching us unscrewing a bolt for 10 minutes. That's what the bolt looks like. Okay, you can see that's it. Okay, that's the head of the bolt, so we have two of those. Alright, guys, now you need to grab and pull towards the back, don't pull towards the outside. Okay, you need to pull towards the back, and we actually need to go to the other side, pull a little bit there as well. Need to be careful that the bumper doesn't fall. Okay, so you need to be holding it because now it's gonna come off. Okay, I'm holding it here and it slid back, so we need to pull it again a little bit. Okay, it gets stuck and now it needs to come off to the side. Okay, like that. Once you go to the back, you go a little bit to the side. Okay, guys, and that's the bumper cover right there. Alright, guys, so that's the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We appreciate your support. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.